this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to see when friends come online on your PlayStation 5, and there's an easy setting to switch this. So on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and go to settings, and then scroll on down. And we want to go to notifications right here and select this. Then scroll on down until we get to when friends go online, and we can select this. We can choose during video games, we can disable this during videos or during broadcasting right here so you don't see anything. Maybe you don't like messages either or something like that. You can turn that off specifically too. But we want to go to friends that notify you. Select which friends send you notifications when they're online. Go to this section and you can just go through your entire friends list right here, and you can check mark or uncheck mark when someone comes online. So if I want to see when this specific person comes online, right about here, all I have to do is check mark it, and then I'll be able to see when they come online. And you can disable that in the future, so maybe only like 5 to 10 people coming online, and you want to go and disable everyone else. Well, you have the option right here, and that's pretty much what I did. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.